Hi, my name is Anna. Hi, my name is Anna. I'm from England. I'm from England. I am a student. I am a student. I am 24 years old. I am 24 years old. I live in London. I live in London. I am happy today. I am happy today. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How are you? How are you? I'm tired. I'm tired. Have you got a brother? Have you got a brother? I have one brother. I have one brother and one sister. I have one brother and one sister. I have a small family. I have a small family. My favourite colour is pink. My favourite colour is pink. I like pizza. I like pizza. I love music. I love music. I don't like football. I don't like football. I can speak Spanish. I can speak Spanish. I can speak English. I can speak English. I can play the guitar. I can play the guitar. I go to university every day. I go to university every day. I study maths at university. I study maths at university. I get up at 7 o'clock. I get up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth every morning and every night. I brush my teeth every morning and every night. I always have my breakfast at home. I always have my breakfast at home. I go to work by train. I go to work by train. I like to read magazines. I like to read magazines. I watch TV in the evening. I watch TV in the evening. I go to bed at 11 o'clock. I go to bed at 11 o'clock. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. It is a sunny day. It is a sunny day.